Alright guys, in this video we are going to talk about promises and asynchronous in JavaScript. What is promises? Let me give you a very simple definition. Promises mean I will give you the result later. This is the definition of promises. Now I want to give you an example. Okay? For example, I get up in the morning and I want to write the function get up. Inside of this, I want to write set timeout. After 1.5 seconds, this function should be run. Okay? And I want to write console.log. I get up. After that, I want to go to school. Okay? Function go to school. And inside of this, I also want to write set timeout, and this should happen 2.5 seconds. Let me write it in millisecond. Console.log. Inside of this, I want to write I go to school. And after that, I come back home from school. Function come back. Okay? Set timeout. After 3 seconds, okay, I come back home. Console.log. And I come back to home. Now, inside of these, I want to write callback function, callback, okay? And in here, I also write callback function. After that, I want to write callback function, callback, and callback function. And now I want to invoke it. First, I want to write the first function. Inside of this, I have another function. Okay, inside the first function, I have another function. What was the second function should be executed? Go to school. Okay, inside the go to school, I have another function. Okay, that is come back. Now let's see. Look, after 1.5 seconds, it says I get up. After 2.5 seconds, it says I go to school. And after 3 seconds, it says I come back to home. This called callback hell. Okay? And now instead of this, if you wanna get rid of from callback function, you can use promise. Okay? How you can use it? You can write return new promise. And inside of this, you have to think, you have two parameters, okay? Resolve and reject. A row function, and now let's paste our code inside of the promise function, okay? Just like this. Okay? Change this console.log to resolve, and we don't need callback function anymore, and we don't need callback function anymore, callback parameter anymore, just like this. Now let's go and change this also like that. Return new promise. Inside of this, we have two parameters, resolve and reject. Arrow function. Inside of this, let's copy this. Let's cut it from there and paste it here. We don't need this callback function anymore and this callback parameter anymore. Now let's go to third function and do the same work. Let's change this console.log into resolve. Also, let's change this console.log into resolve. Just like this, in easy way. And now let's make chain. How? You can write the first function because you want to execute your first function. You can write get app, okay, dot done. And after that, you have to write done. Inside the done parentheses, you can write value, arrow, and console.log. Inside this, you can write value. Now let's see. Sorry about it. I have tried it here. After 1.5 seconds, it says I get up. Now let's make the others. This only execute our first function. If you want to execute another function, you can execute it like this. Let's take it inside the brackets, like this. And after that, you can write return the second function, go to school. Go to school. Like this. After that, dot done, and inside it, value arrow console.log and your second function value. Now let's see. I get up, I go to school. Now let's take this third function of us, return come back, and dot done value arrow function console.log and value. Now let's see. It says I get up, I go to school, and after 3 seconds it says I come back to home.